Yeah, so what we found in our bunker is a little bit disturbing, but it's not unexpected. We have to take care of these every year. Hallie, how many eggs do you think are today?
6.
Opie, how many?
7.
8.
I'm gonna say there's 9 again.
That's what I was gonna say, but I decided 8.
So 6, 7, 8, 9.
Let me count them.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah. But watch. Let's look in here.
I'll look inside
I
there.
think I was right. Me too.
Let's see. Is there right there?
Yep.
How many? I said 9.
No. I got right, there's 8.
Well, Hope got it right out here, but then Hayden got overall right because there's one more.
Yeah.
Man, you guys are
Why
good.
did they lay it in that little spot? I need
They
to give
just
the
did.
rooster some water.
Yeah, we need to give him some feed too, so grab both of the...
Hey guys, look at my red hair.
I know. Oh, no.
And we're going to color it off top today. Here,
Hey,
Chop.
tell them welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel.
Thanks for watching. You want to close that?
Yeah.
Okay. We need to feed them too, okay?
Okay.
Hallie, you know how to turn the electric fence off?
Yeah. I know how. I'm going to do it. We both can at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Wait, I can turn it
Who's
back.
going to touch it to see if it's off?
Me.
Touch it. Ah!
You scared me.
Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's about to start storming on us, so we come out here to do a quick vlog for you guys. We need to check on all the animals, and they want to go check their trap. So we'll walk over there, check their trap, and also I got some plants for them to go ahead. What are you doing back there? I got some, okay, you are acting goofy, but I got some plants ready for them to plant. So we'll walk over there, let them plant that, and then we'll kind of just walk around the house today. We don't got a whole lot going on right now. Like we said, it's about to storm, and so we're just gonna go with it. Hope you guys like today's vlog. If you do, smash that like button for it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Check out the chickens. We need to feed them. So, look at Sue's doing good over there, hanging out. All right, we gotta feed them.
I'm touching the fence.
Wow, you're brave.
It's not.
You're one brave girl.
It's not even on. You can do
Hope you
that.
stand right here so they don't get out.
Huh?
Stand right there so they don't get out.
Can I feed it?
Tell them.
You do not get out. Not on my watch.
Hallie, we need to feed.
You do
Oh,
not
you
get
get
out
the
on my watch.
Go get it, hurry, run.
You just see what I'm saying?
We're gonna go ahead and give them some more oyster shells. They have ran out. I'll bring the camera in here.
What was that? Did something just fly? Have like.
Hallie, stand right there for a minute while she puts some oyster shells in there. Okay, put some
In
oyster.
here?
Yeah, right here in this right here. In that pan, yeah. Put a few handfuls in there.
Okay.
Don't let her out, hopefully.
Oh, it's scared.
Yeah, they'll like that. It's starting to sprinkle already. Oh no. I have to finish this vlog up inside.
Can I pour it?
That's plenty. That's plenty. That's enough, babe.
Hi, chicken.
Hopefully, can you check that? Open that lid up and see if there's any in there.
Yeah.
There's a little bit. Let me see. Take the lid off. Just pull the top up right there. Move your fingers. Watch your fingers. Grab the top right there, that little handle. Yeah. Can you get it? Hallie, throw it away from there. Throw it. There you go. That way they're not going to. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, you can't. It's stuck in there. Put your hand down there and shake it around. Yeah. Just put your hand down there and do it. Jump that snake! So they found their feeder finally. I like this feeder. Keeps it dry. So still gets moisture in it. I need to dump this one over.
Is there any water in here?
Yeah, they got water.
Yeah.
Stuck. Let's make it not work right. We gotta get in there and scrape it all off. Hold that, Hallie. Okay, that feeder actually still gets a little bit of moisture in there. We're gonna put a few scoops in there, but then we're gonna fill up this one that doesn't get any water in there at all. Seems like some of them are finding it because it's a lot of it's gone. But so that one right there, we don't want to put too much because it's gonna rain. Oh yeah, Sue just became a man. Good job, Sue. Good job, buddy. So Sue has figured it out. That's exactly why we wanted him, so we can start hatching our own eggs. Good job, Sue.
Is Sue a boy?
Yeah. Didn't you listen? Didn't you hear the boy named Sue?
No.
Where's that scoop at, Heather? You're gonna feed Abel, okay? You put 5 scoops in there.
5? What if I fall in?
I think we can make a whole vlog just feeding the chickens. They got quite a bit on the ground.
2.
Those full scoops. That's let me see. There you go, Hadley. Good thinking, Hadley.
3.
That probably work. Hope. Put some more. Put some in that feeder over there now.
Where?
Behind you, the one we just did. I can. Let me. Want me to just fill it up real quick?
I will.
Okay. Scoot over there closer, Hadley. So we got 8 chicken eggs today.
What's that for?
That's the automatic chicken door opener. All right, we'll fill this up and we'll be back. Okay, let's get back here. It's about to rain, girls. Oh, it's about to rain, so we got to hurry up and plant these. I already got the holes dug for you guys. All you got to do is put them in and just fill them up. Now, these are bell pepper plants. We like bell peppers.
Okay. Can I put them in?
Mushroom dirt or no?
Yeah, I already did. They're ready. I put mushroom dirt and everything. Hope you know how to do it. You remember how to do it?
Yeah.
Stack it up all the way around. It's going to rain on it, so it's going to be perfect.
I'm going to do this one.
Dang, you guys are fast. Hayden missed that. Yeah, you got to do 1.
Yeah.
It's all right, Hayden.
I did 3.
Hayden, I want you to go behind Hayden. I want you to put a mound around all of them. There you go. Perfect.
What I'm going to do is something.
That's going to be, that is designated carrot bed. And I need to put some stuff on there. I haven't done it yet, but the rain's coming, so we're going to do it today. So we got the pepper plants in the ground. We got them about 18 inches apart. And we got some big, Hayden, what's that say up there, that little pepper? What's that say, Hopi? Can you read it? I know Hallie probably can.
Okay.
I hope Hallie can.
Big for the bell sweet pepper.
Big sweet peppers?
It says Big Bertha Bell.
Big Bertha Bell sweet peppers. And where are these ones, Hayden? Here's another one here.
These ones are Bonnie Green Bell sweet peppers.
Those are the sweet peppers. So hopefully those will get really big, I guess. And these are just the regular bell peppers. Now they're all the green ones. And I'm not quite sure. I'm saving a spot right here. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to put in there yet, but we'll show you guys, I'm sure, whenever we do it. Good job, girls.
What are we going to do in that one?
Carrots.
Oh.
Just not today.
Yeah.
The carrots will get planted very, very soon, just not today.
I'm so excited when the broccoli
You guys are good help.
We got this down fast.
Let's go. I know. Let's go feed Abe.
Okay.
Okay, go grab that cup over down the table, Hallie.
Yeah, that's there.
Do what?
We might go camping on Friday or Saturday for my birthday.
Where at? Go camping.
7 all?
No. We're self-quarantined. We can't be going anywhere, girl.
Yeah.
But we can camp by the pond.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even know we had that.
What is that, Hope?
It's a toy that Gracie got.
Oh, hold on, Hadley. Did you already do it? Yeah. I was gonna have you wait because they're all gonna eat it. Try to get them over here. Matt. That was for Abe and Hadley. Hadley jumped the gun there and fed him. And I was trying to feed Abe. Maybe they'll all come running. Let me do it, babe.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you do.
It's one of Grizzly's toys.
Now he can eat me that.
What?
We don't want grocery toys. We don't want grocery toys.
Egg's wanting some. Sorry, Egg.
Are you
I'm going to throw some for him.
They're all over there. Yeah, throw some to them over there. Good job. Hey, so they got all, that's all the, that was the big thing of hay from this winter from where we were feeding them, and we got all of it cleaned. The girls got it all cleaned up and put into the bed, so we put some to some good use. We better show you Abe before we leave. Abe, you're looking beautiful today.
What is
The storm's coming, buddy. You better find some shelter. You better find some shelter.
What if he
Hey, we need to go check on our storm shelter real quick.
Yeah.
So I don't know how bad it's supposed to storm tonight. You guys want to go check on the bunker?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go check the bunker.
Our bunker tubs. We have like special.
Yeah, we got stuff in there. We'll go take a look down the bunker. We haven't been down there probably since last spring. There is a storm coming. I don't know how bad it's supposed to get, but we'll peek down in there. I'll see if there's any spiders. There's usually spiders down in there. I got to throw one of the moms down in there to fumigate it or whatnot to kill all the little spiders. So we'll peek down in there and just take a look.
We're gonna go at the shelter. Hi.
You know, I think Hayden needs to do, I think all three of the girls need to. I think you three girls need to do a quarantine challenge inside the bunker for 24 hours.
No, I would not.
24 hours, Hayden.
No.
24 hours.
I would.
Who would do 24 hours in the bunker?
Not me.
I would.
You gotta have two people. You can't go by yourself. You want me to go with you? Me and Hope. How long can me and Hope last
If that
in the bunker? Can me and Hope last 24 hours? What do you think, Hope?
I would win.
I'm gonna say they'd last about 30 minutes.
Yeah.
I think
Hold on,
Open
Hope.
it, Opie.
50 minutes.
I'm scared to open it.
Me too.
Why are you scared?
I would open.
Don't go down there yet.
This is cricket.
I see some spider webs down there. Okay.
Not
Do we got any spray?
Yeah, this bug.
There's a lot.
There is bug spray?
Look,
Yeah.
there's a ton of crickets.
That means the spider's been eating them.
Not dead ones, alive ones.
She found, no, that's for the plant. That is bug spray, but that's for the plants. So we're not going out in town. I need to, I don't know, there's a cricket right there trying to get in. There's another cricket right there.
That's what I said. They're all in the
Yeah.
trap.
And my dick.
Whenever you see that down in your bunker, that means there's a little bit of trouble down in there. That means that there's spiders. Dead crickets means spiders. So, all right, let's walk down there. I'm gonna walk down there real quick and just see if those lights still work, okay? Oh, there's a spider. Look at the spiders.
Not too bad though.
You just killed a
They call the
cricket.
exterminator out here. Hold on, girls. Hello. One 800 number is calling me down in the bunker. All right. Let's see. Can you see me, Hayden?
Yeah.
Hey, that one's still bright.
Oh.
I've been wanting to. I wanted to mount it there. Oh, it was up there, but it fell off. But that one works. There's a spider web. That one still works. So we got light, and we got water. We got other supplies down here too. Let me see, Hayden.
But me and Mom made some special tub for it.
So we can put it in for some time.
We actually have a couple of MREs down here, and we got a bunch of water underneath there
This
and a cot.
this baby thing's in the web.
But we can't be having the spiders in here. Ugh. Girls, you coming in the bunker?
No.
Yeah,
Huh?
I would.
I'm not.
Can I?
No, only emergency reasons, or if we do a challenge. Who's up for the challenge sometime?
Me.
Not me.
All right, let's go check the trap. You want to?
Yeah.
Right here.
I'm only up for the challenge if Mom is.
Can I stand you up?
Yeah. Yeah, so what we found in our bunker is a little bit disturbing, but it's not unexpected. We have to take care of these every year. I've actually found a black widow down there before. So it's a dry, cool place. Yeah, black widow. All right, Hallie, lock her up. Hopefully the storm won't get too bad tonight before the spiders are gone.
Oh.
Lock it. What's up? Hope wanted to sit on my lap. Since Hallie got to dry last time, Hope just wants to sit here.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, you guys should look for those mushrooms sometime when it's not raining. It's over here in this wet weather creek.
Yeah.
Probably nothing. I think we need to have this pond stocked sometime.
Yeah. So, hey.
She loves you. Nothing?
There's no food in there.
They're out?
Foggy.
Okay, throw it back in there, then we'll have to come put some more food in there. Bye. You guys want to walk back?
No.
Too bad. See ya.
I can see you.
Bye. Oh, the rain has come. Sue, be in here with the ladies. They're all got back underneath there. All right, ladies, see ya. Okay, I'm gonna go in the house for a little bit. I don't know how bad it's supposed to rain. I'm gonna go look at the radar and all that. Hopefully, it's not severe, but if it is, we're gonna be dodging some spiders down inside the storm shelter, ain't we? The bunker. Oh, Hayden.
Yeah.
Quarantine challenge. Who's in?
Not me.
None of you guys? All right. Hope is. Hope's a trooper.
Unless we have
Oh, about fell. All right, let's go in the house. Well, the rain has kicked in. It's all right, though. It'll be good for the garden. Okay, before we get off here, I'll close this vlog up in just a minute. It's probably just a quick vlog. I just want to give you guys an update. I'm trying to give you guys an update of what we're doing every day while we're in this quarantine in Oklahoma. What I wanted to show you before I get off here, though, I'm not going to actually do it. If you're someone who has thought about storing food long term, and I might actually make a video sometime showing you how to do it exactly, but I'm going to show you the things that you need that you can store your food up 20 to 25 years if you do it properly. I know a lot of people probably went out and bought rice and beans, and if they don't go through this, when this is all said and done and you don't use that stuff, I'm going to show you exactly what you can get. You can order on Amazon or wherever else to store it long term. Check this out. Look at this. These are Mylar bags. And one way I used to do them, I actually got some 5-gallon bucket ones right here in this one. These are for 5-gallon buckets. These are individual ones. I like these a lot because you can just put a little bit, you know, like maybe a few days worth of food in there. That way you don't open up your 5-gallon bucket ones. So you need to get those, and you need to get the oxygen absorbers. I don't know if these are still, actually got some new ones in the house. And I plan on doing a little bit of this, so I'll make a video in the future. So I'll make a video in the future on these. Actually, in this video, since you're watching, you may not see the other one. If you're interested in Mylar bags and the oxygen absorbers, I'll find links and put them down my Amazon link below. That way you guys can click them and get them right now if that's something you're interested in. But I have food that I've had stored for 8 years in these, and you can feel the sides. They're not there. When I opened up the bucket and fill them, you can still move the stuff around. So I don't know the best way to tell if the food is still good, other than it's not all hard and stuck together, that there's still a little bit of movement in there. And one way that I did it, whenever I was doing it, is use a shop vac, and you get a house iron, and then a 2x4. I'll have to show you guys sometime, but it's very, very easy to do. And if you're able to get a hold of those and get some beans and rice, you're able to store your own food long term. I got all my food in a dark bucket, so it's been stored for the bigger ones for 8 years, and it works. I think it works awesome. So I'll leave links down below if that's something you're interested in. But that's all we got for today's vlog. Probably not a very long vlog. I just want to give you a quick update of what we're doing today. Like I said, I was trying to make a commitment to post every day that we're in quarantine. So far, day 5. This is actually day like 15 for the girls, but day 5. That's mandatory through the state. So with that being said, I'll try to see you guys tomorrow. If you like this quick video, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. We're just living life quarantine style, I guess. But thanks for watching. Love you guys. Catch you on the next video.